Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show how to download and install Kali Linux in your Windows in VirtualBox. So let's start the video and don't forget to subscribe and like my video. So let's begin. So guys, we need first OVA of Kali Linux and VirtualBox. So first we download it. So we need to open simply any browser. So I am going to use Brave and search Kali dot. So guys, Kali dot org. This is the original website of Kali Linux. So come here and click on download. Then a new page load, and there are so many options. So we are going to simply click on virtual machines here, and there are again two options. So we are going to install it in VirtualBox. So we select VirtualBox or select your operating system bit. My system bit is 64, or your choose by see your bits. So I am going to install it for VirtualBox. So simply click here to download and where you want to download it. So I am going to simply in this drive. So save it and it will start automatically your download. So let's check our downloads. So simply click on download, and yeah, it is started. It takes some time to download it. So first we download it and then going to next step. So wait. So guys, our Kali Linux was downloaded successfully. So we need another program is VirtualBox. So simply we want to search again VirtualBox. So there was the first website of its original website VirtualBox. So we will click on the first website, and on the page of the VirtualBox, download VirtualBox 6.0. Simply click on it. There are so many options, and there was nothing to download it. So there we can see VirtualBox 6.1.34 platform package. So we are going to Windows, install in Windows. So we are simply click on Windows first. So I already installed it. So I am going to again it install to show you. So start download. So it takes some time, but my network is so fast, so it will download fast as soon. So my download was complete, and after all the two things are downloaded. So first we want to install the VirtualBox. So click on open. I am simply going to click. You can also click where you installed the VirtualBox. So I am going to open it from here directly. So you can simply click on yes. So it was going to preparing to install. So click on next, and I was already installed it. So I am going to first remove it. So don't confuse guys, I am just removing it because I am already installed, and I am removing because to show you step by step. So it takes some time. It will remove in several minutes. So guys, I am removed it. So I am now going to now install. So I am click on open again the VirtualBox I am installed. So again yes, it will not show on the recording, but the page appears and you can click on yes. It prepare to install. So now this time it was going to install. I will click on next. Nothing changed. Where you want to install the VirtualBox, so you can browse the place. So I'm going to install it on the same location of C drive. So click simply next. Nothing to change on this page. So next and yes, install it. It also takes some time to install, so we can wait some time. So you can see my VirtualBox was started. So now here we can start our Kali Linux installation. So click on import on this page. We want to import the file we are download from kalilinux.org. So where's the file to browse the place? So I am installed in the drive, so I am going to the drive. Here you can see the file was I download here. So click on and open, and then click on next. After locate the file, here you can see our all information about the Kali Linux was generating in a virtual environment. So again click on then click on import. It will be start automatically importing the Kali Linux in VirtualBox. Then click on agree, and that's the last step is to importing. It takes some much time but not too much. It will be done in some 5-10 minutes, depend on your PC or your computer. So it will be start. So any error will come, so comment me down, I will solve it and make it a video on it. So please comment any error will come up on your installation. Guys, you can see our Kali Linux installation was successful. So let's start the Kali Linux. Before it we need username and password, because it will be asked for username and password after the start of Kali Linux. So how you can find the username and password? In every installation the username and password are default, and it will be find here. You can see Kali username is Kali and password is also Kali. This was default in every installation. So Kali was our username and password. So nothing to do here, you can find it, or setting here not find it you can. So click on setting. So click on setting and description. Here also you can find the Kali username and password, and click on OK. There were also advanced setting you can do for the better Kali Linux experience. So you can give more memory RAM to do it work best. So I will give some more memory. I will give half of my memory. You can also give or depend on you. And then you can give processor. I have 2 cores, so I am giving all the 2 cores, and nothing was here. So this was a basic. In display there was nothing. Here there was nothing. All default. Storage there was nothing. All default. Simply click on OK. That the basic settings you want to do. You want to do or not you can do is also great. But let's start the Kali Linux. some time to start Kali Linux, so we can wait. So here you can see our Kali Linux was start. After the start, it will ask for a username and password that I told you, and it will start automatically. Nothing to click, and simply click on GNU Linux first option, or it will be automatically select in 4-5 seconds. So it will be start automatically. It takes some time, and here you can see the Kali Linux was start. If in your installation get any error or anything, so you can comment me, I will solve it and make a video on it. So I'm going to cross the notification, it will be start. So here you can see it was started. Now it will ask for username and password, so we need to enter our username and password. We have see there was username and password is Kali. Here you can see this was asking for username and password. So our username is simply Kali, and password is also Kali. So password is also Kali, so we can log in and it will be start. Here you can see it was started successfully without getting any error, or easy method step by step. Now when you start, there was a small interface of this Kali Linux, so you want to set it. So simply click here applications and search display. Here you can see click on display and set your relational as your PC or computer have. I am set it to the relational recommended for my PC, so the screen was that here. By we can change it. Here you can see when we change it, let's select some small. So I am apply, so this type of screen in starting, so I am restoring to the previous, and this was start of the Kali Linux, and you can use now Kali Linux easily. And after the installation, you can install the packages of Kali Linux and other components software to use your Kali Linux for hacking and other things. So this is was my first video of my channel. I will make it for the first time. We talk about more topics of Kali Linux and how the tools are used on Kali Linux. We cover all the topic in Kali Linux and how hack anything, like we can say Wi-Fi, how to make viruses for mobile, how to mirroring other phone location, how to get any location. So many topics are covered. So ready for the videos, and don't forget to subscribe to get the videos. So let close the video, and goodbye, see you in the next video.
खत्म, बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय।